When you want to cut your own hair, beard trimmers are a great option. They're just the same as clippers, wireless, fit in your hand, can be recharged. The problem is, when you start going to 1 inch or more in length on the guards, you start running into problems. Hairs must be sticking up in order for the blades to actually reach them. Otherwise, the guard simply pushes it all flat and it can't access everything. This is a vacuum clipper attachment. So this end goes onto the vacuum cleaner and this end holds the clippers firmly in place. I'll just attach a nut and a bolt here to tighten that into position, and then I'll adjust this to get that as close as possible so that the vacuum cleaner will work with my specific clippers. And now I've securely attached the clippers and the nozzle for the vacuum cleaner together. Next step is simply to attach the vacuum cleaner to the attachment. Turn this on and suction all the hairs away from your head at whatever length you like, using whichever guard you've selected. And this is nice and close, so the suction will work perfectly for your particular clippers.